Alright guys and girls, this is Charizard GCTA back at you with my final opening. I'm opening this with my two sons, Patrick and Michael. So hopefully they'll be able to get something good in, that's Michael, something good in their respective boxes. Okay guys, go open them.
These are really cool boxes.
I know, honey. Just open them, sweetheart, so we can show everybody what we got. Okay, Patrick, what do you get?
A Kingdra
Ancient Trait Hollow. Very nice.
Okay, so
set that aside.
Half art or something?
Well, they call it half art, but it's not. The half art are really the EXs. It's an Ancient Trait Hollow. Okay, that's cosplay. No, just look at it yourself, honey, and then show them what you got. If anything. No, just look through them.
Nothing?
Alright. Go to the next pack. And then we'll separate everything later. So we're pretty much rare hunting. Gaia Volcano sucks because I don't know if I got anything from that. You have to show me that, Michael. Oh, ooh. A Zoomerol Hollow. And a Manetric Hollow. Awesome. Okay, we're getting pretty good hollows. Hopefully I don't get another Wellward. Hopefully I get Mega Kyogre or Primal Kyogre full art. That would be sweet. Ooh, okay. Metacham Hollow. Very nice. Keep them in a pile, Michael. And I have a buddy that wants the trainer cards, so I'll trade him that. Ooh, Gardevoir EX. Very nice, Patrick. Yeah, for some reason, Tidal Storm is giving me more good luck with full arts and ultra rares.
But most of them were duplicates.
I know, exactly, right? Ooh, Mega Aggron EX. Very nice. We're duplicating the last pack, the last box. I end up getting the Megas. But of course, I already have the Mega Aggron full art. So, yeah. So maybe, hopefully, in this one, we'll get Dive Ball or the Mega Kyogre full art. Keep my fingers crossed. Ooh, nice. We have a hollow. Which one's this one? Rhyperior. Sweet. Thanks, Patrick.
You're welcome.
I'm looking through it through the lens, not actually looking at it.
Oh.
Nice. A little Colorado.
I think.
Baby, you don't have to do that.
Nah.
Oh, that's a hard one, huh, Michael? Very good. Rip it. All right. Repeat ball. Patrick, come on. What'd you get, honey? All right. We have a Hauntail Hollow. Well, because eventually this is going to... Let me see. All right, awesome. Have Powder Hollow. This is going to blink out and I have to make another video.
Ouch.
Because the battery's on red right now. Next pack, Patrick.
Sorry.
We can do that later. I told you that. Awesome. We have a Flygon Hollow. Very nice. All right. a Mega Gardevoir EX. Awesome.
That's 2 EXs.
Yeah.
Megas.
Show it.
You have a lot of time, Michael. You ready?
Do it.
Another Maxi trick card.
Hurrah!
Awesome. Full art. Not what we really wanted, but that's okay. Patrick, come on.
We would have preferred Archie.
Okay, melodic hollow. Well, our cheese is in the other set when you're opening. And I'm getting that anyway, so
Possibly.
we don't really need... No, he's sending it.
Oh, he is?
Yep.
Okay.
For about 6 minutes, Patrick.
Okay.
It's a little faster.
12 packs.
Yes. It only took me 6 minutes to open up the last box. We're at 6:20 already. Well, it finally gave me something, you know, even if it's a duplicate.
You can easily trade it for something.
Ooh, very nice, Michael. Blaziken hollow. Nice. Crawdont hollow. Awesome. Good pulls, guys. We have both the Gardevoir and the Mega Gardevoir, right? Hopefully
Yeah.
it's not another Mega Gardevoir full art. Hopefully it's a
know.
Gardevoir full art. That I do need.
I'm guaranteed at least one more EX. Because usually it's a 3 EX box. But hey, maybe last pack magic.
I know, right? You never know. Sharpedo EX, awesome. No, over there in between your legs, Patrick. Ooh, nice, Michael. A Sceptile hollow. Last one? Okay. Or last two, excuse me. For Michael, and then last two for Patrick. Awesome.
One more pack.
All right. One more pack for everybody. Okay. Oh, nice. Groudon EX. Sweet. Okay, we're done for Gaia, Volcano, and we have one more. Okay, last one. All right, we have a Swampert. All right, guys and gals, this is it for me. Hopefully I'll be opening a Primal Clash booster box later, and I'll have a for sale video or trade video coming up soon. Bye.